Hi, my name is Bill Powers with 26 North Yachts. Today we're on board the 1987 86-foot Burger named Adventurer. Welcome aboard and let's go take a look. The aft deck is equipped with a large custom teak table with comfortable seating for 10. The salon features an expansive seating area and a wet bar with 2 beverage refrigerators, an ice maker, and a sink. The pilot house has had recent electronics upgrades featuring Garmin 8000 series electronics. The flybridge and boat deck are equipped with a grill, plenty of seating, and room for a jet ski, tender, or a combination of both. Adventurer's formal dining room features a table that can seat up to 8 guests and can also double as the owner's office. The full beam master boasts a king-size bed, his and hers closets, and a master head that's equipped with a tub and shower. The twin guest staterooms mirror one another. They both have large closets and in-suite heads. Adventurer is a turnkey vessel waiting on her new owner. For more information or to schedule a time to get on board, give me a call.